Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. Hey, listen, wanted to share with you at least 3 reasons. This is one of 3 main reasons why I think a new breakout tool called Crigloo is on the rise. And let me just spend a few moments with you. And I don't think people are getting this. And it's normally when I run across these technical tools that people don't understand, or it's not being marketed right, or people don't understand the concept, that I have to do one of these videos to try to make sure that you get it. Now, not only, I'll give you the other reasons later, and I'll probably do another short video, but I want to make this video as short as possible. But let me share something with you that I just don't think people are grasping this. Crigloo has a component inside of it where you can actually, once you pick your campaigns, you can have them automatically be managed, or you can manage them. Now, if you automatically manage them through their system, what they do is they'll take, if you automatically manage it, they'll take one budget. You put that one budget and you load it into Crigloo, and you want to spread that budget over, over 3 different marketing campaigns, right? And so what you'll do is you'll take the first campaign. You says, hey, I want to run an ad, some Facebook ads to this particular persona here. Whatever persona I've identified here, I want to run it to this particular persona or identification, or people that golf, people that smoke, people that don't smoke, people that wear makeup, whatever. And I'll run it through that. Then I want to take another persona and I want to run it through and do some pull marketing. People that are looking for people that smoke, people that are looking for this, right? So I'm pushing the information here through Facebook, and I'm pulling it from Google here through this persona. This is second persona. Then I want to, the third persona, I want to run through Instagram. Again, we have one budget here, and I'll run it through Instagram through this third persona. Based on your criteria, Crigloo uses machine learning based on the personas who are most likely where they're getting the most feedback and the most interaction. And they're using machine learning, and they're going to allocate those budget dollars to the best performing ad. That's the power of having a multi-unit, multi-channel setup. And this is just for one brand. Now imagine if I manage unlimited brands, which is the case with their tier 4 offering. They have unlimited brands you can manage. As an agency, this is a killer deal, because what you can do is that one budget will allocate the dollars over to, let's say in this instance, we used Facebook ads, ended up being the better performing persona identified and or captured. We'll call that the best performing persona. Allocate all the dollars here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is some serious technology that it should be looked at least identified, and at least be experimented with. They have you have a guarantee you can actually purchase with the link below. You can take a look at it, and if you don't like what it's doing, hey, you'll get your money back. No questions asked there. I think it's a 60-day guarantee. You can get your money back. You should test this out for 60 days. If it don't do what it says it's going to do, get your money back. But they have some machine learning on the background that helps identify. There's 2 more reasons I'm not going to get into, but I wanted to make this video as short as possible. Hey, this has been Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks. Listen, we're trying to help you get to your bottom line. Please go ahead and take a look at the link below. Please comment on this particular video. Also look for our live Q&A with the grind seat with the founder of this particular company. You'll find the link in that's going down pretty soon. Take a look at the link below. We're going live. Hey, this has been Jenny Jones. You guys take care. Enjoy.